Guys, bili tayo ng pabango. Ayan. Maliliit. Ang kaibigan natin dito. Ayan. Tindero dito yan. Sila may-ari nito. Hindi na mamili. How much na Victoria's Secret pare?
Sige, 300.
300? Ang Victoria's Secret. Sisend natin sa ano, sa cargo kasi hindi po pwede sa ano to. Hindi siya po pwede sa air. Bawal. CK pare, how much?
Come here,
No, how much CK?
for man, lady.
Man.
Muna. Wait, I take away the brush. Okay, please, this one, huh? بالتيب ها؟
Yes. I will include you in YouTube, ah. Your face will show on YouTube. Victoria. Ito yung paborito nating pabango. Siyempre di mawawala yan. Hot. Saka cold. How much CK? Only small. Malit lang.
It is that small. Wala.
Check. How much like that?
120.
Wala.
100 dinar. Well, I want the big size. Well, better. Big size better for you.
Will give only.
For gift. You like another? I give you another. Lacoste.
No.
You like?
CK is better.
CK is better.
Yes.
Gusto mo isa?
Dalawa.
Tester, ha?
Tester?
Yeah, tester.
Why tester mapi yada?
Box. Lakin box mahal ba rin?
Why?
Let's listen. Tester cheap. Sige. What is also for your wife?
Already here, Juban.
You find play?
Need the
Victoria.
Victoria.
Wala, gusto mo. This one, pare. This one, 3. Now. Victoria. Perfume. Come here. See?
I will check first this one. Coconut passion. Ayun, isang rush. slide.
Okay, no, that's that's the one. Isa, also this one you like, this one the best. Like addict, like spell,
How much
Hmm.
Victoria?
This one, 3 years, I'm over it.
Huh?
Katulusan ka,
How much now?
Alas. What else? What I want this one. Be free now.
Before you give me one, this one smell very good, but I forgot the name.
For man, for lady.
For lady.
Yes. Victoria, di ba?
No, not Victoria. I forgot the name, but this one is very good.
Wala try this one. You like try na? Try.
But then my smell carbon, ha? Not this smell. Not this one.
Before you go
This-
vacation, okay, before?
Yes. You have only small box like this, bottle, but big.
Maybe the same, like this one finish. Same.
Maybe.
This one, the old one. Yeah, this one now no more. The small, the B Victoria oil piece, same. This is the old one.
I forgot the name you gave me before. This one very good. My daughter likes this one.
You have picture on the button?
I don't have it. I will check.
Tell him to click the
I will call better.
yeah.
Yung bili natin, oh. Asan si Abe?
Nasa BBS.
Ah. Tingnan mo nga yung box ni Abe nung yung ano, binili kong pabango dati, yung nagustuhan niya. Ano yung pangalan nun?
Teka lang. Teka lang.
Andito ako sa bilhan ng pabango eh.
Oh. Yan pa.
Yung ano yung pangalan ng pabango yung ano na dati? Yung gusto mong amoy?
Right ka.
Secret.
Ha?
Oh, secret.
Secret? Ah, secret.
This one?
Ito ba ito, Abi? Yan ba yun? Alin dyan?
This one? Dito.
Yung black?
This one now new. This one new. Dito ate new. This one luma.
Yung black yung nasa iyo?
Apo. Ano nga mo yung tea? Extreme.
Yeah, this one same like this one long lasting.
Long lasting?
Yeah. Same, this one same.
How much?
Sige, kunin mo dalawa. Isa.
How much is one?
Ito mura, 65.
Okay. 65 daw. Alas.
Alas.
Yes, this is enough.
For you also.
Already paid.
Sige,
No, this one for my batcha.
Ah.
I have already. Hot. Binitol. Enough.
Long lasting.
B. Ayun o.
Yung sinabi ko sa'yo, vanilla lace. Na ganyan. Lotion.
Ito, vanilla lace.
Yan, yan, yan.
Lotion.
Ayan. Apa, vanilla lace.
Vanilla lace lotion. How much vanilla lace pare?
This one, 35 degrees 100.
3 piece 100. Give by.
How many days?
3.
I give you vanilla.
Vanilla lace, yes.
Lahat wala.
Yes, yes.
Mixing.
No, same. Yan, vanilla lace. Request ni Bunso. Ayan, moment of truth, bayaran. Count, pare. Yes. Yung mga pan-testing nila oh. Give discount pare ha. Oh, pan-testing eh. Pagka gusto maligo ng pabango, punta ka lang dito oh.
See, how much did you have? 80, yeah? 80.
How much?
1,000. Put one more, see? 3 plus 65. One more parang. See how much? 1,060, diba? Plus 65. See how much? Seems to me. I'm gonna give you discount. Okay?
1-1? Okay.
For your brother.
Okay.
Like, diba? Is that all that?
Yan ang tindero natin oh. Ganda lalaki oh.
Thank you, sir.